আসসালামু আলাইকুম এভরিওয়ান। তো আজকে হচ্ছে আমরা যে টপিকটা আমি এক্সপ্লেন করেছিলাম সেই টপিকটা নিয়ে কথা বলতেছি যে বার্থডে। হ্যাঁ, তো বার্থডে নিয়ে আমরা কিছু কোয়েশ্চেন করি, এগুলো পার্ট ওয়ানের কোয়েশ্চেন। তো আমরা সবার কাছেই কোয়েশ্চেনটার আনসার নিব, সবাইকে একটা একটা করে কোয়েশ্চেন করছি। তো তুমি প্রথম কোয়েশ্চেনের উত্তরটা দাও। সেটা হচ্ছে যে হাউ ডিড ইউ সেলিব্রেট ইউর বার্থডে হোয়েন ইউ আর আ চাইল্ড?
Well, when I was a child, my birthday were very enjoyable. I still remember that my father used to buy me cakes and my relatives were invited. So at home we had delicious food and enjoy a lot. So it was really an enjoyable memory for me.
ঠিক আছে, অনেক সুন্দর হয়েছে, থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ। Well, second question. How do you celebrate your birthday now? Present answer diba, huh? How do you celebrate your birthday now?
Now I am 21 years old, so my husband usually celebrated my birthday. He brings a cake.
He brings me a cake.
He brings me a cake and surprise me a gift. When I was a child, my parents do in everything in my birthday, but. I think have a change over time, but I still feel them that special.
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, ঠিক আছে আনসার। তো মাই হাজবেন্ড সেলিব্রেটেড বলে ফেলছিল, এটা হবে মাই হাজবেন্ড সেলিব্রেটস। হ্যাঁ, প্রেজেন্ট টেন্সে যেতে হবে। ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ। ওয়েল, থার্ড কোয়েশ্চেন। ইজ ইউর বার্থডে অ্যাজ ইম্পর্টেন্ট অ্যাজ ইট ওয়াজ হোয়েন ইউ আর এ চাইল্ড? মানে এখন আপনার বার্থডে যতটুকু ইম্পর্টেন্ট, চাইল্ডহুডে এতটুকু ইম্পর্টেন্ট, দুটো সেম কিনা?
Yes, right now my birthdays was more special for me when I was a child. Um, and I used to get excited. I used to get excited. Wait for the days. Um, but now I don't feel I don't excited.
I don't feel excited.
I don't feel excited now because I think other things in life in life have become
অন্য জিনিস আমার কাছে বেশি ইম্পর্টেন্ট, ইজিলি বলেন। হ্যাঁ, আদার থিংস আর ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট ফর মি। এই জন্য বার্থডের জন্য আমার আসলে অত সময় নেই, তো আই ডোন্ট হ্যাভ
other things.
I don't have enough time
for my
birthday. ওকে, ঠিক আছে, আরও প্র্যাকটিস করতে হবে। ওকে, আপনাকে কোয়েশ্চেনটা আস্ক করি, সেটা হচ্ছে হাউ ডিড ইউ সেলিব্রেট ইউর বার্থডে হোয়েন ইউ আর আ চাইল্ড?
Well, when I was a child, my birthdays were very enjoyable. I still remember my father used to buy me cakes. And my relatives were invited, so we ate delicious. At home we ate delicious food. It was very memorable occasion for me. We danced together with my cousins, and I sang so many songs on my birthday.
ওকে, এখন তোমাকে একটা কোয়েশ্চেন করি আমি, সেটা হচ্ছে হোয়াট কাইন্ড অফ ফুড ডু পিপল ইউজুয়ালি হ্যাভ অন দেয়ার বার্থডেজ?
Well, Bangladesh is my motherland. I think not only my country, but it also happened. Happened across other countries.
Across the world দিতে পারো, হ্যাঁ।
Across the world, it's very popular dessert item such as cakes, jorda, misti, etc. Shamai,
and other sweet
foods. There are different types of, but sometimes there are different types of foods eat on birthday.
There are different types of foods eaten on birthday. Eaten
on birthday. It's a rich food, such as biryani. Noodles, etc.
হ্যাঁ, ঠিক আছে, এভাবে দিলেও হবে, সমস্যা নেই। অলরাইট, সো হাউ ডু ইউ সেলিব্রেট ইউর বার্থডে নাও?
Now I like to celebrate my birthday in a simple way. I usually spend time with my family and friends. In the morning, I receive a birthday wishes from loved ones. sometimes my friends surprise me a cake or a small party. In the evening, we had a small
We have.
we have a small birthday birthday party, and we cut a birthday cake and enjoy some delicious food like pizza, pizza, fried rice, etc.
etc. ঠিক আছে. All right. So, do you think that the price of gifts and presents is important?
Not at all. I think the thought behind the gift is much meaningful than how much it costs. Even a small handmade card can be more touching if it comes from the heart. Every person has different financial situation. It depends on their income and their budget.
Okay, ঠিক আছে, এটা রাখলেই হবে. Next question. What kinds of foods do people in your country usually have on their birthdays?
Well, first of all, I think not only in my country but also it happens across the world. People love to eat cakes on birthday.
Okay. How do you celebrate your birthday now?
Frankly speaking, I don't celebrate my birthday now because I have a lot of things to do and I am busy with my study, and I'm not interesting at all because
I'm not interested at all.
I am not interested at all because I am getting older. Sometimes my friend give me a surprise with a small cake and we cut them together.
Okay. Do you think that the price of gifts and presents is important?
Well, I think the price of gift at present is not important because they show love, efforts and care. So doesn't matter what they give me and what is the price of these gifts. It's matter love and care. And on the other hand, some of people give us an expensive things. It's depend on their budget and their income, financial abilities.
How did you usually celebrate your birthday when you were a child?
Well, when I was a child, and my birthdays were celebrated.
Joyfully?
I still remember that. My father used to buy cake and others gifts and invite all my relatives. My mother cooked delicious food for me.
So overall, my birthday was very special. Okay. What kind of food do people in your country usually eat on their birthday?
In my opinion, I think it's not only in my country but also it happens across the world. There are many people love to eat cakes, and there are several type of food, cakes, shamai, jorda, and prefer them. And nowadays there are various types of occasion love to them. This type of.
Okay, so how did you celebrate your birthday when you were a child?
Well, when I was a child, my birthdays were absolutely delightful.
Okay.
I can still remember that my father getting me cakes, and we had invite all our relatives over. We had gather at home, enjoy delicious food, and it was really joyful occasion for me. My cousins and I would dance together, and I ever sang lots of song on those days.
Okay.
So it was really memorable day for me.
All right, তো আমাদের লাস্ট ক্যান্ডিডেট আপনাকে আমি আস্ক করি কোয়েশ্চেনটা, সেটা হচ্ছে what kind of food do people in your country usually eat on their birthday?
In my country, people usually celebrate their birthday with a mix of sweets and savory food. The most important item is the birthday cake, which often decorated with candles and the person name beside the cake. Family person specially arrange special food like biryani, noodles, and fried rice. And some other people also make curry, chicken, and different types of snacks like chips, samosas, etc. We can also find some soft drinks.
অলরাইট, তো সবাই আমরা বললাম, ভালোই বলেছেন আপনারা। তো এইভাবে আমাদের প্র্যাকটিসটা ধরে রাখতে হবে। আমরা পরের সেশনে এখন চলে যাচ্ছি। থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ।